Let's turn this on and set it right in front here, like that, about 2 feet back. My Strat hardtail, I've got Fender custom shop pickups in it. I got a Texas Special in the neck. What do we call it? Custom shop. Fat 50s in the middle and a 69 in the neck. The amp's currently on the bright channel on about volume 2, and it's nice. I can sit in front of it nicely, it's not too loud. I'll play it clean. I got a little Hall of Fame reverb here. I got a little TC Electronics Cinders overdrive just to give it a little bit of crunch without cranking the amp up. It's so loud. Neck. Bridge. Sorry, that's the neck. Bridge. All right. Cinders. like this kind of sound. Say my favorite tone is probably right about here, the neck position. Bright. For the Canadian fans, lastly, clean again. Let's crank her up. Woo! I can't handle that. All right, there you go.